Yeah, I greet you. I greet you. I want you to listen to this message. I want to tell you what's happening in this country called Nigeria. Listen, as you watch this video, make sure that you share this video. Listen to me. I seen it. Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. These people, these tribes, they difference before. Igbo, they on their own before. Hausa, they on their own before. Yoruba, they on their own before. Before them British come and join them together as one Nigeria. Igbo, they on their own, doing business on their own. Sometimes Igbo people will come to Yoruba, Hausa, they will buy market and go. Sometimes Yoruba will come to Hausa and Igbo and buy market and go. Then they separate before. That is why what I said before in my previous video, that what God has joined together, let no man scatter it, let no man destroy it. And what God did not join together, let no man come and join them together. God did not join this tribe before. God did not join them together before. Igbo, they on their own. Hausa, they on their own. Yoruba, they on their own before. That is how God arranged everything in this Africa. Now listen to me. These people, Britain, they came, immediately they came, after they colonized Nigeria, these tribes, then joined them together as one Nigeria. See here. This is a Britain, United Kingdom. They came and joined because before, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, then they separate before. But immediately United Kingdom came, joined them together as one Nigeria. Since United Kingdom joined these tribes together as one Nigeria, since then, these tribes, there is no peace in this Nigeria. Tribalism, tribal war, both in Christianity, since this Britain joined these tribes together as one Nigeria, since then, today, no peace. Because of this one Nigeria, they have slaughtered millions, more than 8 million of Igbo. And they bring, they have joined this country together, United Kingdom, they are coming and living in peaceful. Peace. There's no trouble there. But they have set fire in Africa. But when these tribes are different, there is nothing like war. Then they're peaceful. Everybody, they're on their own way. They're on their own, doing their own business. But immediately these British come, join them together because of their selfish interests, because of what they want to benefit from this one Nigeria. Since then till today, no peace, trouble. And now what happened? This is Hausa and Yoruba. This one is Britain. Now Britain that colonized this country have told these two tribes, Hausa, Yoruba, na them be the people who get to rule all the tribes whether for Nigeria. And then poison the mind heart of these two tribes, Yoruba and Hausa. Now then go to rule this nation. Then using Nnamdi Azikiwe as a first president to use and to deceive people so that people will not understand their plan. And it's a very shame to the Yoruba and Hausa. Them bought the idea of Britain. Now them be the people where they go rule the Nigeria. Why others they go to sit down, they look them. Why others will sit down, others will not have the authority to rule the nation, these two tribes. And then bought the idea, pressing Igbo, Yoruba and Hausa pressing Igbo. They are pressing Igbos because of the idea they bought from Britain. They're pressing Igbo. Outside Yoruba, they're pressing Igbo. They're pressing Igbo. That Igbo will not lose this nation. P2B is the one that won the election last time. But they did not give P2B because P2B is an Igbo man. The problem is these people, Britain. But it's a very shameful thing for these people. How can a white man will come for his country, cause trouble among you people, among the blacks in Africa, your own brother? You will be throttling them because of the idea of this white man that came. Because of the idea of this white man that came to Africa. And you use because of the idea of the white man, throttling your fellow black person. But before Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, then they separate on their own. Before Britain come, these people are living in peace. There's nothing like one Nigeria. Every tribe, they're on their own. Before the Britain come, join these people together. Trouble. And it's a very shameful thing to Yoruba and Hausa politicians. They bought the idea of these people. Use their idea, persecuting their brother and their sister. Did not do them anything. Because they want power. They want power. But before, Yoruba have authority over Yoruba land. Hausa have authority over Hausa land. Igbo have authority over Igbo land. Now these people have come, Britain have come. They are now telling Hausa they're going to rule all the Nigeria, both other tribes, Bini and the Benue State, and all the tribes. This is the problem of Nigeria. I think that all of you understand this message. These people, they are the Oga that caused the trouble in Nigeria. And they poison the heart of Hausa and Yoruba. They poison their heart. They are fighting each others. But as I said before, that what God have joined together, let no man scatter it. But what God did not join together, let no man join them together. God did not join this tribe before. God did not join Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba together. Britain, they are the one that joined them together, not God. God separated them before. Igbo, they on their own. Igbo have authority over Igbo land. Hausa have authority over Hausa land. Yoruba have authority over Yoruba land. But the British come, join them together. Since then till today, trouble. Since then, trouble, killing, trouble, tribal war. Both in Christianity, tribalism. Both in Christianity, tribalism. In politics, tribalism. Everywhere, tribalism. They are killing themselves. Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, they are killing themselves. But the Britain that caused the trouble, they are living peaceful in their country. Living peaceful. And three of you will be blacks, Africans, agree on ourselves because of the white man that came. How many black people have you seen? How many black people, black country, have you seen that go to white man country and cause trouble among them? You cannot see it. But I will tell you, many white country in outside that came to Africa and caused trouble to Africa. Today, no peace in Libya is what the white people came to Libya and caused. Libya, trouble. Even Cameroon, even in Nigeria here, the problem is from the white people. They came to Africa, causing trouble in Africa. Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, they're supposed to love themselves. They're supposed to love themselves. But now because of the idea they bought from these white people, may God have mercy upon this generation. And may God have mercy upon us, blacks. You people are talking about reveling. Is it not black people that sold their brother, their sister to the white people? Now, but now African people, black people, sold their brother and their sister to the white man. How many black people do you see that go to America or go to China or go to London and the white people sell their brothers, their sister to the black man? Let me stop this message here. I believe that all of you that listen to the sound of my voice has understand what I mean, what I mean in this message that I'm passing here. I will still post this video on my page. Yes, I will still do it, edit and post it on my page. This one is the live video. So thank you and God bless you for watching this video. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezaguba. Shalom.